Prototyping is a crucial part of product development cycle, and as engineers, it's an essential skill to hone.
The prototyping course takes students through the basic and intermediate concepts of design and prototyping. It brings in elements of art that allow students to explore their creativity while also experimenting with the tools at the makerspace.
This course kickstarts with an icebreaker session wherein students participate in prototyping challenge. They then delve into various niches of prototyping such as design thinking using paper prototyping, showing the students how little it takes to present a well thought out idea.
The course also infuses elements of tech with a session on app interface design using Figma, where they're taught the nuances of user interface and user experience design. Students also indulge in wood art, where they utilize tools such as drills, circular saws, and palm sanders, giving their prototypes a polished look.
In SIP, they introduced us to hand tools like jigsaw, chop saw, and the angle grinders, etc. We were also given a task to do a pencil stand. We were given measurements, and we ourselves had to cut it through all these tools. In the start, it was actually difficult because we had never used the tools till then. So it was actually more than fun, it was actually challenging, but also at the end, once we accomplished it, it was really nice that we learned something new.
The course encourages students to create circuitry using online tools like ComedKares and incorporate microcontrollers into their prototypes.
This includes computer-aided design to visualize their pre-built models with the training on basic 2D sketching and modeling using Onshape. Laser cutting and 3D printing is also one among the topics delivered, ensuring students have the basics in place before they complete the course.
We were introduced to a new CAD software called Onshape. There we learned how to do a 2D sketch, and later we converted that into a 3D, and using 3D printing machines and lasers, we made our own 3D models and keychains and designs which we are interested in. And it was a new thing to learn, and it was a new experience too.
Using the knowledge of this course, students have built prototypes like an autonomous underwater rover for coral reef tracking, dysmenorrhea belt to ease menstrual pain, smart helmet to aid riders and improve the experience on road, and even an IoT-enabled mushroom grower. Numerous prototypes, both tech and non-tech, can be created with the knowledge of tools and an understanding of design. Students gain access to the coolest tools and along the way also learn to build meaningful connections, both on circuit boards and among their peers.
This course does not fall short of engaging activities and touches upon all the essentials that an innovator needs to create, all in a span of just 12 weeks.